Hello traders, good evening. Welcome back to my channel Stock Daddy 41. This is your host Ali Abbas. A quick review of the market today. Bank Nifty opened slightly gap down and started falling in the first candle, but then took a little rejection from the bottom where there was actually no support for quite some time, but the only support was over here, indicating that this support can now be used for future reference 51,700, 51,800 and below, and bounced right off that, and it went all the way up, breaking the opening high, and just ranged the entire day. Not much of zigzag movements, but even the premiums were not decaying much, keeping in mind the budget announcement for tomorrow. So let's go directly to the trade. Only one trade was triggered on the put side. Only one trade being triggered on the put side at 12:30. There was a short sell on 51,600 put option, where the entry point was 296 and the first target and the second target slightly missed. Yes, slightly missed. The first target was set at 272, which is only 24 points, keeping in mind the ranging market, not much decay happening, so only 24 points. And then this pullback, the stop loss was pulled from 343 level all the way down over here around 323.16, and after that it almost touched the second target, but from there it shot back up and then died. So our exit was over here at 284. Now let's go to the Excel sheet. So here's the trade details. 22nd of July today, 12:30 p.m. was when the trade signal triggered for a sell. 296 was the entry. First lot sold at 272 and we waited till the end. Could not get the second target, so I had to square off at 284 at 12 points, remaining 3 lots, resulting in 36 points. So 60 points total. We are at 34.3% of our target. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow being the budget, expect a lot of volatility or a completely dead ranging market. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you'd like to know more about this indicator and how you can subscribe, 1 week is free access. Please do email me on stockdaddy41@gmail.com, or you can WhatsApp me on the number mentioned in the description. Thank you.